we have given two numbers, 6 over 125 and 0.0048, and we have to decide which is larger. So because we have fraction and decimal number, we need to change fraction to decimal number, and I think it will be easier to compare these two numbers. When we have two decimal numbers, it will be very easy to choose the larger number. So we have 6 over 125. How we change this decimal number? We will divide numerator by denominator. So we will use long division. Our divisor is 1, 2, 5, and we have 6, because we cannot put 125 to 6, so we can write decimal point because this is whole number, and we add extra zeros. Because we have here 4 digits, so let me add 4 digits, 4 zeros to our dividend. So let's do long division. How many times you can put 125 to 6? 0. 0 times 125 is 0. Subtraction, so it will be 6. We have to take up decimal point and take down next 0. So we have 60 divided by 125 is 0. 0 times 125 is 0. Subtraction, so it will be 60. We will take down next 0. So it will be 600 divided by 125. It will be 4. 4 times 125 will be 500. Subtraction, so it will be 100. We will take down next 0. And we have 1000 divided by 125. This is 8. 8 times 125 is 1000. We finish long division. So we can rewrite that 6 over 125 is equal, because we finish long division, so we have to write equal symbol, 0, decimal point 048. And now let's see our two numbers. We have 0, decimal point 048, and we have 0, decimal point 0048. How we compare these two decimal numbers? We just start from first digit is 0, 0, decimal point we have. Next is 0, 0, the same. And the second digit is 4 in the first number, and in the second number we have 0. 4 is greater than 0. So what it means? That our number 0.048 is greater than 0.0048. And this number is equal 6 over 125. So we can write that 6 over 125 is greater than 0.0048. This was one way we changed this fraction to decimal number by using division, or because we have here in the denominator 125, and when we multiply this denominator by 8, we will get in denominator the power of 10. So the second way to change this fraction to the decimal number is multiplying numerator and denominator by the same number. In this example, we multiply by 8, because when I multiply by 8 in the denominator, I will get 1000, and 6 times 8 is 48. So we have 48,000, exactly the same what we got from long division. So you can write that this is 0, decimal point 048. 48,000 we have. So this is the second way to change fraction to the decimal number. Doesn't matter which way you use, the solution is the same. And next we just compare the digits. We start from the left side and we are going to the right side. This is my solution.